Model, 2003 Citroen Relay 2.2 HDI-TD 1800 medium wheelbase, body, white, camper. Mileage, 109,767. Engine, 2178 cc 2.2 HDIA. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs perfect on easy start. Needs high-pressure fuel pump replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, electric windows. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.